We didn't get to control what we were doing.
No, we had a tour guide.
That's my friend Callum. We're in Nairobi in Kenya and we've just done a 4-day safari. It was good. We saw some rhinos, a leopard, a lion, giraffes. The only problem was that we were in a minibus and, well, it just wasn't an adventure.
We managed to find a car and we're going to drive it to somewhere where we hope we can find some animals.
Passport to take the photo.
I've never seen something so official.
How many people have you hired a car out to?
It's we normally have like proper agreement.
Is it the 15th today, guys?
Yes.
16.
No, 16.
This was the plan. We'd been invited to stay at this man's house in a conservancy. A conservancy is a place where animals are protected. Our plan was to find a lion.
The guys just said, okay, message when you have gone under the pylons and past the Sleeping Warrior Gate. Aim for Pyramid Hill, not Volcano, and I will catch you lost thereabouts. And we've got some rough directions of where we're meant to be heading, and they are like the roughest directions in the world, and it's from a friend. Is it a friend of a friend that you know? Or?
A friend of a friend of a friend. Oh mate, I could puncture it.
The car is currently stuck.
Twist your wheels to go that way. Now, just put a bit of acceleration. Go back in. You're fine at the moment. Just keep on where you see the main tracks. So we've been driving along this like country road and this road's just not getting any better.
Zebra. And about 100 more.
I really want to know where this guy lives.
We drove along this bumpy road for another 2 hours. Finally getting to where he lives.
Where to begin? We drive down this little rough road and the road's very bumpy and the car gets stuck. Finally get to where his bungalow is. And I'm wondering, what is this area? And he said, let's show you around. So he takes us on this walk. We walk up this hill and we have this incredible view of the whole area, the conservatory. It's massive. And he points out in the distance, he's like, oh, there's a lion. And this is so special. So special.
Trip over there so you can see that. This is where you can sort of panic and make up your mind whether you're going to go front or back. And sometimes you get buffaloes who sit right here, especially in the rain, but they like to stand underneath us. Good.
So we've made it alive.
We made it.
And do they climb up here at night sometimes?
The leopards do.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get their footprints on the bed, which is hilarious.
And what should we do if there's a leopard in our room?
It doesn't matter, and the leopards are fine. I mean, a lion in there, I would...
Okay.
Right.
Have a good night.
We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Hopefully.
Fuck's sake.
So the time's 9:55 and we've just
I'm scared.
It's beautiful. How did you sleep last night, Callum?
I probably spent half of the night hearing little twigs move and thinking it was a leopard.
Is that pretty? So the plan this morning is we've got the guys a Jeep.
Suzuki with a Nissan engine and a Jeep body.
We will rent the Jeep instead of driving our car for the day.
What do we do if we break down?
He's given us his number, but
He's gone in an hour.
He's gone in an hour.
Oh, look, loads of puppies. Wow, fuck me.
We're currently looking at a herd of zebras.
I'm looking for lions.
These giraffes.
Oh my gosh, this is sick.
Does not sound good at all.
No.
What is it making the noise?
That's definitely a problem.
Everything looks okay.
But the car's making this whirring sound that it wasn't making before, and it's just started making it, which isn't good at all. Let's just drive it.
Yeah.
Let's get it, because otherwise we're going to run the battery flat.
Okay. Do you want to drive it?
No,
I trust you more.
I don't mind. We've got the thing up.
The quickest way? Let's back round this way now.
So we made the decision that we're going to drive it back. It's making a really bad noise. And
Is this definitely the quickest way?
yeah, just go, yeah. We're around halfway, so basically the problem is that we're not even close to where we should be. I bet you it's here where we see a lion.
Oh, can you smell that? It really smells bad. Fuck.
Stop.
Yeah? Come on. Oh my gosh. Fucking hell.
Just give it time, just let it cool down.
Okay. Should we start slowly pushing?
I'm bringing handbrake off now.
Yeah. Push. Put the GoPro down if it moves it.
Put the GoPro down.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, rocket. Push. We had to start pushing the Jeep back to where we were staying. Fucking hell. Right where there could be lions. Oh, fuck. Go back. Bit.
Back.
Back, I've just come off the puppy.
3, 2, 1. Rock.
Okay, catch me.
That's gonna be harder. Wait, 3. Just rock on the count. Forwards, backwards. Keep going back. Recording.
I think this video is turning into more of a here we are, how not to do a safari drive than a video of how to do your own DIY safari.
Yeah.
The time is 8 o'clock and I'm in bed. And we're both in bed. A little bit terrified. Even though we've decided tonight that we're going to move inside into a hut. Just scared about hopefully getting the car out of where it currently is, getting it back onto that main road, and once it's on that main road, everything's cool.
2 hours in and we're still on the ship road.
Abariako. It was still up here, I think, the girls.
I see the main road.
Do you?
Yeah.
High five here, Will. Wow. I've never actually felt more relieved. Our self-drive safari is over. Yes!